Man set! Beagle set! Band ready!
How many of you know Rajnikant? Put your hands up. Kabali, wonderful, wonderful. Who doesn't know him? He said, I come late, but I am the latest. So let's hope this turns out to be quite the latest. Before I start, I'd like to say, गुलिस्तां से गुल चुनने को दिल करता है, बना के ख्वाब तुम्हें बुनने को दिल करता है। देख लेते तो और भी एकेडमीज हैं इस जहां में, लेकिन बस तुम ही हो एडुनाम एकेडमी जिसको सुनने को दिल करता है। मैं बस आप सबके 2 मिनट लूंगा। आप सब बहुत ही ब्राइट स्टूडेंट्स हो, you're all very nice। मैं बस यही कहूंगा कि your company is very important। किसके साथ आप रहते हो? You be with the right students, you become a right student. You be with the naughty ones, you will become a naughty one. So what I suggest is, whatever you do, try and keep your company solemn, good and the best. As you can see, we have one of the finest dignitaries on stage with us. Can I have a huge round of applause for one of the highly rated gentlemen, very well renowned, Brigadier Naidu. Can we have a round of applause for him, please? Along with that, we have one of the finest Maulvi Sahibs who I have been chief guest on many occasions, who's a very good speaker himself. Can we have a huge round of applause for Maulana Ali Bakhar Sahib? The next one comes directly from my heart. I consider him as my own brother who will always be in my heart. Someone who's inspired all of us by becoming the chairman of Sports Authority of Karnataka. Can you have a round of applause for my brother, Roshan Anand? And also, we have one of the most youngest business tycoons we have all the way from Chennai. We bonded more like friends and more in just one meeting. We have a round of applause for Jackie. लोग आपके जितनी भी खुशियाँ गिराएं, जो भी करें, जैसे भी करें, आपके पेरेंट्स पोस्ट करें, आपके जो भी टीचर्स हैं, make up your mind and be the best in what you do. जो भी आप फील्ड चूज करें, medicine, doctor, engineer, sports person, anything, try and be the best, because the world only worships the rising sun. Only when you're the rising sun, you wish to be noticed and take it forward. Whatever happens in your life, please remember this one thing, and I'm sure success will be yours. Like we all know, यहाँ पे जब मैं पहले आया था, वहाँ पे everybody is asked how to reach your destination, how to reach where you are. So what I'd like to say is, आप सब में किस को बड़ा आदमी बनना है? हाथ उठाइए please. How many of you want to be really big in life? Fantastic. If you want to be big in life, you need to think big in life. जितनी बड़ी आपकी सोच होगी, उतना बड़ा इरादा, उतने बड़े आदमी आप बनोगे। एक बार मैं जब राहुल गांधी से मुलाकात किया था दिल्ली में, और कांग्रेस कमेटी का प्रोग्राम मैंने होस्ट किया था दिल्ली में, वहां पे मैंने कुछ कहा। जब एक मीडिया ने सवाल किया, वहां पे मैंने कहा कि अगर जानना चाहते हो मेरी ऊंचाई या बुलंदी, अगर जानना चाहते हो मेरी ऊंचाई या बुलंदी, तो कह दो इस आसमां से और ऊंचा हो जाए, और ऊंचा हो जाए, और ऊंचा हो जाए। That should be your confidence, because confidence is the key to success. No matter what you do in life, be confident, be truthful, and you will be able to achieve. With that, I finally leave you lines with the last of Langston Hughes. He says about dream, how to dream and how to transform your dream into reality. The dream is hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Thank you, MC Abbas. God bless you. Thank you.
Welcome to all the viewers of Alipur. Mashallah, EduRam Academy program was a wonderful, excellent program. It was done by my dearest brother, Mr. Muhammad Abbas, the director of EduRam Academy, of which I am also a stakeholder, and it's also on the board of directors. Most importantly, it's a privilege to be the brand ambassador. I always wanted to do something in the field of education, and through EduRam Academy, I was able to do it. I think education is one of the most important processes which develops any personality. So therefore my focus has always been on education, and I wish that every student of Alipur, everyone who comes in is able to tread the path forward, because education, your formal education is the most important thing. So that is what I am looking forward to, and to all the young ones I'd like to say, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. One of the greatest scholars ever said a very, very beautiful fact, that you need to dream and you need to hold fast to dreams. For if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. We are definitely looking forward to many more centers of EduRam Academy in Bangalore, in other neighboring cities. The most important benefactors which I told is education. I kindly request all my dearest brothers, my sisters, my young ones, my sweetest and nicest ones, to kindly come on the right path of education and try and excel as much as you can, because excellence is the highest of integrity, is the highest of authority. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Signing off, this is me, your MC Abbas again. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm here with my wonderful fans of GEM International Residential School. And guys, 1, 2, 3, go!